Hi guys, it's Alex here from Homey. In this video, I want to show you how to pair up your remote control from KlikAaNKlikUit or Trust Smart Home to Homey and create a few flows to control this smart light that I have here. So let's dive straight into it and pair this device. Now in the Homey app, I can head to Devices and hit the plus in the top right. Here, I want to type in the brand name for this device. So I'll type in KlikAan, and you'll see appear KlikAaNKlikUit app. So I can tap on that, and you'll see the list of compatible devices that you can connect to Homey. Now I can scroll through this list to find the device that I have, and I can see it here called AYCT 202. Now this is where those icons come into play. It's a lot easier to figure out what device I'm pairing using those icons. So I can see that it's this device here. So I'll tap on the device, hit connect, and as always, Homey will come with detailed pairing instructions for the device you're looking to pair. So in this case, it's really simple. I just press any button on the remote. So I'll tap on the top button here. Now immediately, the device has been connected to Homey. So you'll see it appear on your device's screen at the top here. Now what I can do is hold on the tile to head into that device. So since it's a remote, I don't have any available controls. But what I can do is swipe to the right and create a flow for the remote. Now with flows, I can actually connect it up to this lamp here and control the lamp using the remote control. Now I quickly created a few flows for this remote. So now I can pick it up and I can turn the light off by pressing the off button, turn it back on by pressing the on button, and I can dim it by holding down the dim, and the light will dim down. And if I want to increase the brightness, I can hold the brightness increase button and the light will increase in brightness. So really, it's that easy to connect the remote to Homey, create some simple flows for it, and have it connect to a smart light like this.